Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha, and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at Kitchen Witch Oracle, Spells, Incantations, and Natural Remedies by Jena Dellagrottaglia. This is published by Rockpool. Thank you so much to Rockpool for sending this our way. It retails for $24.95 in the US and $18.99 in the UK. And of course, down in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. I am very excited because I do really like Jena's work, and this subject matter looks amazing. So let's get into it. Jena Dellagrottaglia draws on her Cucina Strega, Kitchen Witch, heritage in this captivating spell deck. Harness the power of the elements with every draw, revealing the essence of your witchy world. Pulsating with the energies of herbs, spices, and oils, each beautiful card serves as a key to unlock the secrets of natural magic. Kitchen Witch Oracle is about mindfully taking everyday ingredients and imbuing them with intention and love to create spells, oils, and potions for healing, well-being, and manifesting your hopes and dreams. 36 cards and a guidebook. All right, packaging looks great. Here we go. Times change swiftly, but our traditions stay timeless, colliding old with new. All right, I like the packaging a lot. All righty. Let's check out the guidebook first. I love that it has this old grimoire kind of look to it. That's fun. Here's the table of contents, so how to use the cards. And then we have different sections here. So we have spells for focus, spells for balance, spells for manifestation, and spells for protections. I like that a lot. Oh my gosh. Okay. Use these cards to create magic every day in your kitchen and your home, or draw an incantation from the deck to align your spirit and body with the day's energies. Whether you are seeking clarity or invoking abundance, it is time to get into the kitchen and cook up some spells. So then it goes into what a kitchen witch is, some more information. I love that so much. Okay. The only limit is your imagination when it comes to how to use this. Awesome. Despite being a kitchen witch set, most of these recipes are not for eating, but for casting and using as magical spells. So do not ingest any of the potions unless the spell specifically advises that you do so. Okay. So you can do an intention pick, a random pick, seasonal pick, or daily incantation. Intent, stocking your ingredients. Nice. So we have a list of ingredients here. Magical implements. And then it goes into the cards. Awesome. Okay, so we'll check back in with the guidebook after the flip through. Ooh, we have gold edges. Here is the back of the card. Cardstock, the Rockpool cardstock. It's not too thin, not too thick. It's going to shuffle really nice because it's flexible, but it snaps back. So I think it's going to shuffle just fine. Here we go. Oh! All right, we have a border here. So limoncello blessing, the art, and then we have the incantation down below. So if you want to look at the incantations, I'm not going to read them out to you, but you can pause the video and do so. That way we won't be here for 5 hours. All right, focus and alert simmer pot. I love a simmer pot, especially in the fall. Rosemary infused oil for wise thinking. Winter simmer pot. Spell sachet for lucid dreams. Memory simmer pot. Oh, your girl's gonna need this. Citrus rosemary cleanse. Little baby. I love the whimsy goth style here. It's very fun. Stress reliever. I love all the cats. Oh my gosh. Increase your happiness. Oh my goodness, his face. Is that a, oh, what is it called? Starts with an E. Not a weasel, but the other word for it. Emu? No, not emu. That's a bird. Anyway. We got a jar. Spring simmer pot. I'm interested to seeing how involved these spells are, because this could be a great deck for a beginner witch or someone who is wanting to kind of dive deeper in their practice with kitchen witchery. And I think that the incantations down below could be good affirmations as well. A new job or a raise. I like all of the different simmer pots. I think that's fantastic. Because a simmer pot, if you aren't aware, it's just like a crock pot. You can use a crock pot with water and then the ingredients go in and it simmers, right? Because a crock pot doesn't get too hot. And then you can do the same thing with a pot on a stove and just turn it down to simmer to where it's not boiling. It's just a nice little heat. And what that does is it heats up the ingredients and it releases that scent into the air. So it's essentially like a big pot of potpourri. And it's a nice way of doing in the closet witchcraft. Or if you can't use smoke or fire in your environment, it is a wonderful way to do any kind of spell work or cleansing that way too. Ooh, we love a return sender. Awesome. Okay, well, the art is fun. I love what it's about. As far as an oracle, I feel like there's a bunch of different ways that you can go about using this. Yeah, shuffles just fine. Yeah, I like shuffling it side by side. Okay, an overhand. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's get one to read, please. All right, Juniper Mugwort Spell Sachet, or Sachet. How do you guys pronounce that word? Because I never know what is absolutely correct for it. But it says, nature's rhythms shape my magic as I harmonize my spells with her guiding pulse, fostering well-being in living, relationships, life, and self. Okay, so this is in the section for spells for protection. So here is the card printout, and it has the incantation written down below too. To enjoy healthy energy and healthy love, tie this spell sachet up and place it in your wallet or purse to always carry with you. So ingredients would be 12 dried juniper berries, a quarter of a teaspoon of mugwort, a quarter of a teaspoon of marjoram, and 1 dried marigold flower. Instructions: place each item in a small muslin or cotton drawstring sachet bag, setting an intent for protection, sound mind, riches, and respect as you do so. All right, that is a very easy spell. There's some that require candle, a little bit longer of instructions, but I really like this. I feel like, again, this can be used in a bunch of different ways. And as far as an oracle goes, it can be telling you what you need to focus on right now. Maybe if you are feeling like you need a little bit of a boost, pull the card and see what area that might be needed for. You can use the oracle as the affirmation for the incantation. There's a lot of different ways I think that you can use this for. I really like the idea of like, okay, place the intent in the shuffle about like what spell would be most beneficial to you right now, and then go and do the working. But yeah, this might not be for everyone, but I do think that this is quite interesting, fun. I love the art style. And as far as if it was done with AI, I don't believe so, because Jena Dellagrottaglia is an artist herself. So I just want to throw that into the conversation. I do really like the whimsy goth feel to it. I think this is fun. It's a different type of Kitchen Witch deck that I haven't seen before, and I love the inclusion of the spells. I think that's fantastic. So if you are a beginner witch and want to, an easy breakdown of a spell that, isn't a huge big O spell book, this might be for you. And then you can kind of customize it to your own liking with the different cards here. So thank you so much to Rockpool for sending this my way. What do you guys think about this? Is this exciting for you? Is this something that you are interested in? Is this intriguing? Or is this something that you don't think that you would use? Please let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment section below. And if you've made it this far in the video, I would love it if you put a cat emoji of your choice down in the comments as well. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.